simple move by doing 3 plyometric hops, a little side-to-side shuffle, and then popping back up will help burn those calories in no time. We never want to feel like we're a warthog eating all the time, but sometimes that's what happens. So you need to burn off those extra calories that you're eating so that your body feels good and ready for your everyday. So don't be the warthog, be the healthy person. Get out there, get groovy and sweaty wherever you are in the world.
I like to get groovy and sweaty anywhere, anytime.